Wie auf dem Weihnachtsmarkt. Nicht vor Papa. Wir produzieren die besten für Europa-Park.
That's a gang of Santas right there. Off to Ireland next. I think the next stop will be Britain. And then I think we circle back and stop at where we started.
There's the old challenge part. People just laugh at that.
Yeah, I like that. It's cool.
You should have brought your fucking Germany hat from Epcot. Worn it around.
I thought about it. Well, yeah, we never did ride the tractor, but we never found where you actually got on it.
I don't think we're missing a lot, to be honest with you.
No.
I think we rode all the cutest kitty rides. More importantly, chestnuts in my teeth.
No, you look okay.
Maybe we should just ride back to Germany.
Oh, to the front again? Yeah, we can do that.
I mean, if it's only one more stop.
Yeah. Then we don't have to walk.
Right. It's cute. How it comes like that. I just throw them at somebody.
Nächste Haltestelle England. Station
Look at that with all the bobbers.
They don't have a big
Bitte bleiben Sie sitzen, bis der Zug
goes
steht.
around the whole outside.
Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à l'arrêt du train.
Yeah.
Please remain
Yeah.
seated until the train has stopped.
There's one on the seat.